Welcome to this video on 6G and advanced connectivity, the next frontier of communication. This next generation of wireless technology is set to reshape how humanity interacts with the world and with each other, from smart cities to remote surgery. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team. Chapter 1: The Limits of Today, Why We Need More Than 5G. While 5G transformed connectivity, the demands of tomorrow are already outpacing what today's networks can deliver. 5G is a foundation, not the destination. It offers up to 10 gigabits per second peak speed, 1 millisecond ultra-low latency, and supports massive IoT deployments. However, emerging applications require a new paradigm of speed, intelligence, and coverage. Emerging demands are exceeding 5G capabilities. This includes holographic telepresence, immersive XR experiences, digital twins, and remote robotic surgery requiring sub-millisecond precision. Furthermore, autonomous systems and the Internet of Everything also require enhanced connectivity. The future demands a new paradigm. Every breakthrough application on the horizon pushes beyond 5G's ceiling in terms of speed, latency, intelligence, and scale. We need a fundamental shift in connectivity technology. Chapter 2: The Vision of 6G, Beyond Connectivity. 6G is more than just a faster 5G. It's a fundamental reimagining of how digital and physical worlds coexist, intelligently, seamlessly, and sustainably. 6G envisions a deeply integrated cyber-physical world powered by AI, sensing, and computing woven into the network. This includes the convergence of sense, compute, and connect, intelligence by default, and truly ubiquitous coverage across land, sea, air, and space. Key driving forces for 6G include efficiency imperatives, requiring more with less across all layers. Sensing and awareness are crucial for real-time situational knowledge. Compute at the edge reduces latency. Finally, global broadband access provides seamless connectivity worldwide. Global broadband and emergency connectivity are central to 6G. Its architecture extends beyond terrestrial towers, integrating satellites, aerial platforms, and ground networks into one unified global fabric that reaches everyone, everywhere, at any time. Chapter 3: The Technological Pillars of 6G. 6 groundbreaking technologies form the foundation of 6G, each addressing a different dimension of the connectivity revolution. The first pillar is spectrum, unlocking new bands. 6G leverages an expanded spectrum portfolio, including SUB6 GHz for coverage, mmWave for high-density urban capacity, and THZ bands for ultra-high data throughput. Terahertz THZ communications operate between 0.1 and 10 terahertz, enabling data rates in terabits per second. This is a key performance breakthrough, making 6G's ambitious applications possible, such as holographic communication and real-time digital twins. The second pillar is advanced MIMO and intelligent surfaces. This includes ultramassive MIMO with thousands of antennas, cell-free MIMO for uniform coverage, and intelligent reflecting surfaces that reshape signal propagation. Intelligent surfaces are directing the future by turning passive surfaces into active signal directors. 6G transforms the built environment into a living part of the network, eliminating dead zones and amplifying coverage everywhere. The third pillar is Integrated Sensing and Communication, or ISAC. A single 6G signal can simultaneously transmit data and sense the environment, eliminating the need for separate sensing hardware. Applications include vehicular safety, industrial automation, and environmental monitoring. The fourth pillar is AI-driven networking and distributed intelligence. Pervasive AI is embedded at every network node. Edge computing reduces latency. Privacy is prioritized by design, with data processed locally rather than on centralized servers. The fifth pillar involves blockchain and quantum communication for security. Blockchain integration ensures data integrity and secure transactions. Quantum key distribution enables theoretically unbreakable encryption for ultra-sensitive data flows, foundational to 6G's trust architecture. Chapter 4: The Architecture of 6G, a Global Network. 6G's network architecture integrates space, air, and terrestrial layers into one cohesive, intelligent infrastructure, expanding connectivity beyond the ground. Space-Air-Ground Integrated Networks, or SAGIN, include the space layer with LEO and GEO satellites, the air layer with UAVs and HAPS as relays, and the ground layer with terrestrial base stations. SAGIN delivers ubiquitous connectivity, even in the most remote regions. This global architecture is key to bridging the digital divide. For the first time, truly global and equitable connectivity becomes achievable, connecting the 3 billion people who are still offline today. Achieving global scale requires low-cost network expansion. This involves disaggregation, breaking hardware into modular, software-defined components. It also leverages Open RAN to enable multi-vendor ecosystems, reducing costs and accelerating innovation. 6G places sustainability at the core with green networks. Energy efficiency aims for 100x improvement over 5G. Energy harvesting powers devices via ambient sources. AI optimization dynamically reduces the network's carbon footprint. Chapter 5: Groundbreaking applications of 6G. 6G is the enabling infrastructure for a new class of human experiences, industries, and possibilities that do not yet exist at scale. One application is immersive XR and holographic telepresence. This includes lifelike virtual presence in full sensory immersive environments. It also enables seamless collaboration, with remote teams interacting through photorealistic holograms. 6G enables digital twins, real-time replicas of physical systems for optimization. It also supports autonomous systems, providing the deterministic, fail-safe communication needed for coordinated operations at massive scale, from self-driving cars to robotics. Remote robotic surgery and healthcare benefit from 6G's sub-millisecond latency. Precision remote surgery is enabled by haptic feedback and zero-lag control. AI-enhanced diagnostics provide real-time analysis for accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment. The future of medicine is here. World-class surgical expertise can be delivered anywhere on Earth in real time, with the precision of a steady hand in the same room. Industry 5.0 and smart manufacturing are also transformed. We will see human-robot collaboration and hyper-personalized production. Predictive maintenance will eliminate unplanned downtime by using continuous sensor data and AI. 6G's social impact includes global broadband and emergency connectivity. This ensures universal access to the internet for everyone. It supports disaster response by instantly restoring networks and enables remote education in isolated communities. Chapter 6: Challenges and the Road Ahead. The path to 6G is ambitious. Overcoming the technical, economic, and regulatory hurdles will require unprecedented global collaboration and innovation. Technical hurdles include the challenge of terahertz engineering, where signals suffer from severe atmospheric absorption and short range. Network integration demands seamlessly connecting satellite, aerial, and terrestrial systems. Security and privacy require quantum-safe encryption for a hyper-connected world. Economic and regulatory challenges include the massive infrastructure investment needed for 6G deployment, requiring trillions in global funding. Global spectrum policy requires international coordination for allocating spectrum. Finally, standardization requires global bodies to work in concert to avoid fragmentation. Navigating the path to 6G involves overcoming these hurdles with continuous innovation. Research programs across the globe are currently underway, targeting commercial 6G deployment for the early 2030s. Chapter 7: The Transformative Benefits of 6G. The true value of 6G extends beyond speed and latency. It is about the fundamental transformation it unlocks across economies, societies, and the human experience itself. 6G enables a smarter, more connected, and sustainable world. It enhances human potential through immersive connectivity and collaboration. It drives economic growth through new industries and business models. It aids global challenges, like climate monitoring and healthcare, and enables a fully integrated cyber-physical reality. The future is 6G, and the time to build it together is now. The decisions made today will shape the world of 2035 and beyond, leading the next frontier of communication.